Welcome guys. Let's do swipe token technical analysis and price prediction for this bull run. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter, links are in this video's description. And please watch this video complete because in this video I am going to show you my all charts and my new targets. Current rank of swipe is 162 and price of swipe is $2.39 right now. It is Ethereum based token ordered by Certic, that is why that is important and very secure token. Market cap of swipe is $459 million, which is very huge, and 24-hour trading volume of swipe is $143 million, which is very good. Circulating supply of swipe is just 192 million and maximum supply of swipe is 239 million and total supply of swipe is just 285 million. It is low cap, very important token. Let me please show you some information. After that I am going to show you charts and website. Let me please show you all-time high. All-time high of swipe was on May 3rd 2021, about 7 months ago, and price was $5.86. All-time low of swipe was on March 18 to 2020, about 2 years ago, and price was just 16 cents. And swipe return on investment is 1099%, which is very good return. What is swipe? Let me please show you. Swipe is a platform that looks to form a bridge between the fiat and cryptocurrency worlds with its API that is designed to create global payment cards powered by its native SXP token. And it is available on these exchanges, Binance, FTX, and some other important exchanges. And if you want to buy this token on Binance, just go to in this video's comment section or in this video's description, where you can find this link. This is Binance exchange link. Click on this link and create your account, and after initial deposit you can grab $710 bonus. It is absolutely free bonus. Just register and deposit. After that you can grab this bonus. You can also grab these bonuses, $5,680 bonuses. These are absolutely free bonuses and these are tradable bonuses. Just trade with these bonuses only and put your seed money away. That is the risk-free trading strategy. Let me please show you website. This is swipe website and you can visit this website and do your own research before buying this token, but it is very important token for me. And this is the website. You can visit by your own. Top clients Binance, FTX. That is why it is very important to me. Let me please show you first chart. This is swipe USDT 4-hour pair chart, and here you can see it is in this falling wedge and price is at $2.38 right now. This is lower trend line, this is upper trend line. Major thing is that price is ready to hit this zone, and this zone is at $2.56 price area. Once it broke this area, price broke this area, in that case it have to break this horizontal resistance, which is at $2.69 to $2.70 price area. Once it broke this area, it can easily hit 2.98, beginning of this ascending wedge, this triangle. And let me please show you technical target. Let me please fix it. Technical target would be like this. Once it broke this, in that case it can easily hit this target, $3.12 price area, and this is very important area. But for this it have to break this upper trend line, after that this horizontal resistance, and these resistances, these are the target. You can say our first target is $2.50, after that $2.70, $2.98, and $3.12. These are immediate short-term targets, and swipe can easily hit these targets within some days. Let me please show you volume. Volume is missing. We need strong volume candles, but unfortunately candles are very low, and that is why maybe it will be move sideways maybe. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Candles are trying to break this EMA ribbon, and this EMA ribbon is at $2.46 right now. Once candle closing above $2.50, in that case, definitely it is ready to hit these targets. And once it broke this triangle, in that case, it can easily hit my targets. Let me please hide EMA ribbon and let me please show you other indicators. Let me please show you RSI. Daily RSI is at 45. Once it could 4-hour RSI is at 45. Once it cross 50, in that case it will be very good for this. And here you can see crossover towards upside of MACD is about to happen, and once it happen, after that definitely price will grow and price will go up. We have to wait for this. Let me please show you daily chart, and this is swipe daily chart. This is main trend line, this is main horizontal resistance, and this is major support line. Major support line is at $1.96 in daily chart, and major horizontal resistance is at $2.90 in daily chart. And this is the main trend line, and it respects this main trend line very much. Here you can see after every touch price bounce back. Our next target will be like this. It can be move like this, I think so, and it can easily break this horizontal resistance. For this we have to wait. And if I draw this, there is a resistance is at strong resistance. It can face at this level, $2.65. Once it broke this area, in that case next target is $2.90. And once it broke this area, in that case definitely this will be very huge. And if I draw this according to the support and resistance base, the target will be like this. Let me please arrange this chart, and target will be like this, $3.37. But this is major resistance. After that, this is major resistance. $2.65 price area and $2.90 price area are very crucial to break. Once swipe break these areas, in that case definitely price is ready to hit $3.30, maybe $3.50 very near future. And let me please show you daily volume. Unfortunately, daily volume is missing, very low volume. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Candles are trying to break this EMA ribbon. Once daily candle closing above $2.50, in that case definitely price will boost. And let me please show you RSI. Daily RSI is at 47. Once it crosses 50, in that case it will be bullish. And let me please show you MACD. MACD crossover is towards downside, and red towers are coming. In that case, maybe in daily chart we may see some consolidation phase. Maybe price can move sideways or price can go down. But until it break this horizontal resistance, we have to be very careful, and it is at $2.65 price area. And let me please show you my favorite indicator, which is CPR indicator. This is main CPR indicator, and here you can see. Let me please fix it. These yellow lines are main CPR support lines, and here you can see candles are above from these main CPR lines, and that is very good support right now. First target hit by swipe was $2.79, and after that monthly CPR second bullish target is this area, $3.14, and after that third monthly CPR bullish target is this area, $3.63 price area. But for this it have to hold this major trend line and major CPR line trend lines, support lines, you can say. These are very important support. Here you can see that is why price is moving sideways here. Once it broke this area, in that case definitely it can easily hit $3.60, $3.70 price area. And let me please show you swipe weekly chart. This is swipe weekly chart, and price is at $2.38 right now. and this is main horizontal resistance in weekly chart is $2.96. After that $4.19 and $5.66. These three horizontal resistances are very important to break, and here you can see price is going down and it is at $2.38, but there is a good spot is at this level, and this is very strong spot, and it is at $2.25 in weekly chart. Once it broke this area, $2.99, or you can say $3 price area, in that case our next target will be, this is next target, and it is at $3.83 in weekly chart. Second target is $4.19 and third target is $5.66, but for this it have to break this resistance which is at $2.96 in weekly chart, and this is very important thing to we have to look at. And let me please show you target for this bull run. For this I have to measure this. Let me please do this. Let me please fix this chart. If we calculate with this fib retracement tool and put it from top to bottom, and here you can see, let me please fix it. Here you can see we are currently at in between 0.23 to 0.38 Fibonacci level, and it is very important to hold $2.14 price area. Once it hold this area, and once it broke $3.36 price area, which is 0.38 Fibonacci level, in that case next target is 0.5 Fibonacci level, which is $4.3 price area, and this area is very important. And once it broke $4.35 price area, next is 0.61 Fibonacci golden pocket, which is at $5.34 price area, and 0.78 is extreme bullish target, which is 6.75. My target for this bull run is this area. Let me please show you. I think it can easily hit $8 to $10 price area in this bull run, and this is my final target, and I hope it can easily hit these targets. $8 to $10 price area are the targets for me in this bull run, and I think Swipe can easily hit these targets. This is my technical analysis, guys. I hope you like this. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now, share this video with all of your friends and crypto community, and please do me a favor. If you want to create your accounts, then go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section, where you can get a pin message and these links. Click on these links and create your accounts, and after registration and deposit you can grab $5,680 bounces of these exchanges. These are absolute free bounces. Just collect these bounces and trade with these bounces only and put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.